Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are working on the NA. We are cleaning this thing up. Per usual, it's a hot mess. As we talked about in the previous video, the soft top lets all this kind of junk in. So it's super dirty. And then I'm gonna wash it, clay bar it, and hopefully wax it before our track day. So let's get this thing ready to go. I'm also gonna take this number off because I can't stand it, to be honest. I don't like it there. I don't like the number. I just want it to go away. So that being said, let's get to it. So Permatex gifted me the safety scraper, so I'm gonna use it to take this off. So I just did a quick clay bar. Now I'm gonna wipe it down, and then we're gonna go in with the Turtle Wax Color Magic in red, kind of fill this in, brighten it up, and hopefully help make some of those tire marks that you get come off easier. I personally love using the colored wax. Like for the black car, I get black, red cars, I get red. It's wonderful. All right, we're starting off with the hood. It says on the bottle to go in circles. I personally don't believe in circles, so I'm just gonna go straight and then this way. No circles, only straight. This is what the trunk looked like before, and look at how shiny it is now. Of course there's lines and things like that, and it got damaged in a hailstorm, but like, look at that, way better. Okay, moved on to the grass, so I'm like out of the sun. Again, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Harder to tell in the shade, but you can see the line where I kind of overlapped a little bit. Big difference. Okay, I'm all finished and I not really much you can do about the plastic there. But, oh my goodness. Look at how good it looks. So the Miata is all clean and waxed. I wish you could feel this car. It feels so smooth. It feels so good. Hopefully that'll help with some of the tire marks from the track. We cleaned the track wheels as well as the street wheels. Awesome. It looks great. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys try out the red wax on your cars or just colored wax, because I swear that is the difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.